Morning and Assalamu alaikum. I am grade 3 English literature teacher. Children, we have already started the chapter number 9, Handon saves Edward. You have also made the title page also of this chapter. Handon saves 9, chapter number 9, Handon saves Edward. If you have not made the title page yet, please make the title page of Handon saves Edward. And we have also done before 5 sentences and 5 meanings of the words. So we are restarting the chapter so that it remains in continuity. What happened that in the previous chapter, what happened that Prince Edward was with the hermit, but as he was over there, John Canty came and took Edward back to the farmhouse where there were beggars and the thieves. And over there he met a young thief, and his name was Sam, who stood on Edward's toes by accident first time. But the next time when he stood on Prince Edward's toes, then Prince Edward was very angry and he said, don't do that again. So this also I have given for reference to the context in your copies. I have shared the reference to the context in your WhatsApp group, that don't do that again. Who said to whom? Prince Edward said this to the Sam thief. And why he said that? The circumstances is that when the Sam thief was stood on Edward's toes for the second time. At that time, Prince Edward was very angry, and at that time, Prince Edward said these lines to Sam thief. Now, the third time when he stood on Prince Edward's toes, at that time, Prince Edward was very angry and he picked up a stick and knocked Sam down to the ground. Now, Sam was quite a big and tall boy, but he couldn't control himself. He fell on the ground and he also took a stick, and then he told everyone that there is a fight, and then he was sure that Sam was sure that he will win the fight, but he didn't know that Edward was having the best teachers in England to teach him Latin, Greek, and French. Along with this, Prince Edward was also taught how to fight with a sword or with a stick. So he was very clever and very fast. And then Sam also tried again and again to hit Edward with his stick, but he was not able to hit Edward, and Edward was the winner. And Edward hit Sam on his head, arms, legs, and body. And at last, Sam went back, threw the stick, and walked away. So when the all the beggars and the thieves found that Prince Edward is so brave, they took him on their shoulders and carried him on their shoulders. And before that they were calling him king of the beggars. Now they started to call him the king of the fighters, because he was a very good fighter. And now, from now, all the young thieves and beggars started to give respect to Edward, and they were very kind to him. So your homework is to read this page number 47 carefully, and the reference to the context, you write the heading reference to the context, who said to whom. And I have shared this all answer in the WhatsApp group. You copy from there. This is your homework. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.